It is really important to have your own study space at home because it keeps you from getting distracted from the different things in your surroundings. The books, notebooks, iPad, laptop, pens, and highlighters that are around you will definitely inspire and motivate you to study your lessons. You must study at your most comfortable and productive time of the day so that you have enough energy to stay focused in order to absorb all of the necessary information in your lessons. If you are a morning person, don't try to study late at night. But if you are a night person, you mustn't study early in the morning. Eventually, you'll get used to your study time. Thus, your mind and body will automatically look for your handouts during that time of the day. It is very helpful if you will write down first all of the lessons that need to be studied in every subject so that you will know which are the ones that need to be prioritized first. Also, you can keep track of the lessons that you are having a hard time to absorb or understand so that you can study them again and look for some supplemental videos online that can help you better understand them. It is important to take breaks in between your study sessions so that you won't get overwhelmed with the lessons that you are trying to learn and memorize. It also helps your brain to breathe and to stock up some energy by eating snacks and scrolling in your social media. You can apply the Pomodoro technique by having a 20 to 30 minute study sessions and having a 5 to 10 minute break in between. Before and during your study sessions, you would be more inspired if you would think of the good outcomes such as having high grades, treating yourself with good food, watching your favorite Netflix shows and YouTube vloggers, hanging out with your friends and family, and many more. In this way, you would be motivated to fully understand and memorize your lessons as well as to finish them right away or within the time range that you have set.